3406.
Hi, and welcome to another video. I am Nikos, Sierra Yankee 1, Echo Bravo Echo from Greece. Today's video is gonna be a short one. Let's talk about batteries. Well, actually, I'm not going to talk about batteries. I'm going to talk about this. I am sure that many of you, like me, store your batteries somewhere. Maybe you leave them on the radios. Maybe you have them stashed in a drawer somewhere. This is something that I always wanted to do a video about because it's a safety issue. And safety is above all. Here I have the batteries of some of my radios in bags, as you can see. Each one separate. Here is an 18650. Other Lipo batteries that I use in various projects. And the storage of those batteries is one of the most important things. First of all, you should always be careful when you charge those batteries. I'm afraid that some of you already know from bad experience that batteries and chargers, especially from China, don't always go as they should. They melt, they blow, they go on fire. So we have to be extra careful when we charge them. They have to be under supervision, and of course when we store them. This is where one of those bags might come useful. For the ones that want to be extra cautious, you can also charge the batteries in here. I would definitely advise, if you have some batteries of your radios not being used and you just store them somewhere, to get one of those bags and store them in here. I have to say that I don't know what's going to happen if one of those batteries goes on fire. Lithium batteries burn fast and hot, so if one of those goes, maybe all of them will go, and this will be maybe a small measure against them, but definitely it's better than none. So go to your favorite site, AliExpress, Temu, I don't know, and try to find one of those, Lipo Guard. I prefer to buy the one with the zipper because it closes better. There are also versions with a scratch here that don't have the zipper and just close like this and secure with a scratch. I thought it would be better to get the one with the zipper. Here is how it looks inside. And when you search online, you will see that they will come in various sizes and shapes. There are smaller than this one, or even bigger. Get the one that you need for your purposes, or even better, get 2 or 3 and store the batteries separately. I got a package of 2 online, and both of them cost me about 12 euros. It's really low cost in order to prevent a disaster. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.